look at that strawberry straight from the garden. Fresh. Yes, man. And they go wild. This is what I wake up to every morning. Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, man, so it's very early in the morning. Everybody's asleep, and I'm outside getting my hands dirty as usual. You know what I mean? And this is what I'm outside to. All these birds making noise, but can't get no better than that. You know what I mean? And yeah, this morning I'm just about to transplant some tomato. You know what I mean? Let me show you. So this right here is some tomato sow, and I have a lot of callaloo here. So these are all callaloo, the green one this time around, as I also have the red ones just wild in the garden as well. You know what I mean? So it's good to have both, and I miss this one because it's what I'm used to. So definitely looking forward to planting out these. You know what I mean? So yeah. And right here I plant some sorrel along the fence line here. Just plant them out. And yeah, so I'll be transplanting some of the tomato in here right now. I'm gonna be transplanting them. And see, y'all can see pepper them start to turn red. See? Yeah, man. So this is where I'll be putting a few of the tomato, which normally would be the flowers garden, but you know, just trying to avoid planting them direct into the ground so things won't get flooded and water soak. And I won't be going all the way up there because basically won't get much sun over on that side. So let's use this end where you can get some sunlight from here. So that's what I'll be doing. And I'm just cleaning out here with this tool. Take a look at it. I don't know what it's called, but I know it's for gardening. It works wonders. You can just dig in like this and get all the roots and grass out. You can use both hands for different reasons. You want to hook it, you just use this end. Yeah, man, so that's what I'm doing, my people. Stick around. The birds go wild. They're everywhere. I'm telling you, my people, every season you have a different species of whether they want to call them lorikeet or parrot, you know what I mean? But yeah, me call them parrot. But every season you have a different type. These are the white ones. You also have the pink one, and you have like the rainbow color ones. There's plenty, trust me. And every season you find different color ones come out, which is very, very interesting. So take a look at this. This is all mixed with grass, dirt, and just everything just burn into ashes in this drum. And yeah, you can see how it looks. Take a look at that. Like literally the amount of sticks that are burnt, and everything like just blends into one of just ashes and dirt. Yeah, man. So also I'll be using this into the soil as well. Yeah, man. No, like just take a look at this. I'm actually really surprised how this turned out after burning so many sticks and leaves, and it just come out like look like some kind of manure or something. Like that just looks so cool. Take a look at it. Everything burned out to ashes and dirt in the mix. Lovely. So I'll be planting some tomato in here. This is why I'm using this. Oh, they're coming back. They're coming back. I think there's more coming. Oh, look at them all hanging out over there. These birds are fun to watch. Nice. Alright, so that's 3 tomatoes right there. So this is from all of the grass that I weed up, and I took it up with all the dirt. Then I put it into the drum along with some bunch of sticks and leaves and burn it all. And it breaks down to ashes and dirt, and most of the stuff burn out pretty much. You can still see some little parts that I dig up, but that remains. But yeah, pretty much this is what you're looking at, the result of burning everything in the drum and putting it back to use, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's my tomato right there, and I still have plenty more to plant out, so this is just the starting of it, you know what I mean? So stick around anyway, and we'll find more pots and places to plant. All right, so what I've done is pretty much most of the stuff that's on the top was burnt out, but there's still a lot in the drum that haven't been burnt out. But I want to use this container here, this pot or whatever, to plant some more stuff in. So this is what I was making my compost in. So this is mixed with a lot of fruits and vegetables and some mix of grass as well, and yeah, all you can think of, eggshells, everything is in here. And this was my compost bin. Now I'm gonna transfer this into here, fill up this and use this container for planting, you know what I mean? Yeah man, as you can see as well, stuff have already started breaking down from what I've taken out. You guys wouldn't be able to see the result if you didn't see it from the beginning, but I'm telling you, so much fruits and vegetable in this, and you can see everything start breaking down already. So it's definitely looking good. And in here, all the worms and everything been just working their magic, you know what I mean? I've been tapping it up, that's why you see some stuff look kind of fresh same way. So I've been adding to it. Yeah, but trust me, it's working. That's what I'm doing. Looking beautiful already. Alright, this part of the video, for all the people that don't like seeing certain things, skip this part of the video. Alright, take a look at this. Can you all see that? That's those worms working into the compost, eating, breaking down all the vegetables and things like that. I don't put meat in here, so you definitely won't be seeing meat or anything like that, you know what I mean? So this is just all from the fruits and vegetables and all the eggshells. They're all working their way into that. Look at that. Yes, man. And that's all of it in there, and that's how it looks. It might be adding some more until it reaches to the top same way while it breaks down, you know what I mean? This will be good for all my plants. Take a look at all the sweet corn that I planted out. They're coming beautiful, but you can see all the weed in between, which I want to get rid of. And this tool is excellent for that job. I've already started. Just look at that little spot that I cleared out without me have to be weeding. But also take a look at all the callaloo. These, to be honest, I have not planted them. They're just growing wild in between. You can see them. Those are all the red callaloo growing in between. Well, let me just show you how I use this tool. You can use either end, but this end is even so effective. Just without even weeding the grass, you just go like this. And everything just clears right around the corn. Just getting in between all these places easily. I don't have to be bending too long, weeding out. Just quickly use this and get rid of all the weeds. But this callaloo right here looking nice. Not even gonna move it. This one is growing lovely. So I just go around. I think I almost weed it out. Oh, it's just actually on the top of the ground. Because, as I said, I didn't plant them out, so it's just literally on the top. Maybe I'm gonna have to dig it up and just plant it a bit better. I dig a hole. Dig a hole feet. Maybe something deeper. Oh man, this one is lovely. Wow, you hear all the birds, man. Look at them go. Yeah, man, and that's my dashing farm right there. Beautiful. Take a look at the corn. Quickly, I just run through with that tool. Not even 7 minutes good. And take a look at that. Yeah, man. I mean, the grass is still in there, but it just quickly cut down all the weed that's growing up. And if I want, I can just go through there and take up all the weed. You know what I mean? So it's very effective. Instead of be there just trying to weed, take out every grass root by root. You know what I mean? So that really helps. Now also to show you guys that I have a lot of cucumber planted out. And you can see all of them have on blossom. All of them have on blossom, and some of them even have on cucumber. Like if I show you this one, let me show you the one that I have in the pot. And this is the difference you can tell. This one that's in the pot even look much more healthier. So the reason why I put some ashes mixed with the dirt around it this morning as well. So take a look. Where is it again? There's one that had cucumber. Where is it? Oh, here it is. There we go. Can you guys see that? Right behind this leaf. That's a cucumber right there. Yes. And there's more on it. There's more as well. Yeah, so it's looking lovely. Maturity is going on too. You can see it spread out from there to there. Looking lovely. And take a look at my strawberry that I bought recently. As I said in a video before, I've never planted strawberry before, so you know, this is new for me. And yeah, I'm open to see how everything works. I see that it sends like these little vine. I don't know if this is where the strawberry will be growing, because to be honest, I don't even watch a video on it, so I just want it to surprise me how it grows. But you can see the blossoms already shoot out, and yeah, just waiting to see what will be the result. Yeah man, strawberry. So what I have here For the people that know, I wouldn't have to say it. But for the people that don't know, this is Moringa. It's very healthy, you know what I mean? It have a lot of health benefits and things like that. So I went to the seedling garden today, and yeah, I got some beans, and Babe was asking for Moringa, so I'm gonna plant it, you know what I mean? So yeah man, Babe chose this one. We'll be planting this definitely. And that's it right there, planted out. Yeah man, so this was Babe's choice, Moringa. Yeah man, so let's watch it grow. The birds again this evening, they're like in their numbers. Look at that man, bird like rice grain. Wow, this evening settings and all. Take a look at this. So this right here is some dwarf bean. So that's what it is, dwarf bean, golden, what's that, golden wax? Yeah, so I got these yesterday at independent, like a seedling owner. Yeah, he has it as his house, and saw these dwarf beans, and he's just trying to get rid of them, so he sold us cheap, because if you can see, they're already start to blossom, so he just wanted to get them out, and we got them real cheap anyway. So I took these and decided I'm gonna plant them. I already planted out 2 of them, which is right here. Yeah, so they're definitely about to push out beans right about now, and I have plenty of beans around as well. So yeah, everything is in the garden right about now. We gotta get them ready, because summer is next month, which is December. So my people, I just come out here on my lunch break, only to be surprised by strawberry. I can't believe it. This is actually my first time growing strawberry. I can't believe it. Like, I never even watched a video on how to grow strawberry or nothing like that. I just wanted them to be a surprise, like to just see how they grow and everything like that. And take a look at that. Strawberry there, and there's one right there. Look at that. What? Are you joking? And I've seen someone said in a previous video that they spread, so I didn't know that as well. I thought they just grow like a little batch like that, but apparently they spread, and I can have plenty more. So yeah, I can see that it's sending some roots. Focus. Oh, there's roots it's sending down there. So let me know, is this pot too small? I don't know, but I'm really happy to see this. Ooh, beautiful strawberry. Yeah, so these are the cucumber, the ones I planted in the ground, and this is after the rain, and they're not looking good at all. You know, water run through them like a river, and now it's just looking like pure mud, and yeah, just not looking good. So as I said before, you know, there's room for improvement, and what I'll be doing is using pots and creating raised bed. Maybe the raised bed will be for next season, but I'll definitely be planting in a lot of pots and things like that. So stay tuned for that. So you can see all the dashi in them over there. They're loving the water though. I'm flourishing this. Come take a look at this. Come take a look at this. I just saw it as I lift this leaf.
Oh,
already turning red.
Wow, that's it.
Yeah.
Wow.
First strawberry.
That's amazing. They grow a little bit more.
Yeah.
And the
So
pomegranate's coming up.
Yeah, these are papa, actually.
Oh.
Yeah.
Papa?
Yeah, papa. That's how I say it, papa. Yeah, but I throw the seeds in here because I wanted to plant another
one.
Yeah. But yeah, most of these stuff need to get rid of anyway. But you look at this.
That's so cool.
What? That's like almost ready to eat.
Just about, yeah. That's so cool. Good job.
Alright, so this is the next day. and coming out here to look at the strawberry, and they're not looking so good. Reason being, we got so much rain from last night till today, and I think that is the reason why they already cracked and look like this. Just literally one day it takes to look like this. Yesterday it was beautiful, shiny, so I'm just gonna pick it, and me and my wife gonna try these ones because they're basically getting smashed by the rain and getting cracked up. Yeah, so that's my first harvest of strawberry anyway. Yeah, that's another one right there. And I heard what someone said in the comments, I think more than one people said it, about the strawberry spread and creates like a new vine with roots where I can plant, which like right here it has roots already. So that's really good to know. I never know that before. So big up to the person who said that. I don't remember their name, but you know what I mean. I'll definitely be planting more from these 2 trees because of that. So yeah, that's really good to know. Yeah man, that's one that not really ripe yet. These 2 strawberry. Now I'm back home again on lunchtime, and as usual, crazy amount of rain again. We've been getting rain like every other day non-stop, and come home to see the strawberry. You guys see that? That's the bird eating the strawberry. Yeah. The birds them found it. Look at this one. That's another one right there. The birds them eating it off. So yeah, it's not just we alone will be feeding on these. The birds them are run competition now. That will be it for today's video, my people. So give thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think and what else you want me to do or to show. Yes man, let me know.